Vybz Kartel and Popcaan reunion is a heartfelt one because Popcaan gifted Vybz Kartel a Rolex watch, a powerful gesture that goes beyond material value. This moment for me personally is an emotional moment, knowing Vybz Kartel was the one who first helped Popcaan to rise to stardom before going to prison. Since then, Popcaan has built upon that foundation, becoming a global superstar and a multi-millionaire in his own right. Now he's showing gratitude and appreciation to the mentor who paved the way for him. As I said, this moment is a very touching moment for any dancehall fan, and I love to see it, so check out the video.
Oh, you never see this coming. No. Why? Like the comment, I take every why. Woo! Yeah. Oh my God. Andre, why did you do that? My G. Andre, what's that right there?
Don't worry.
I'm looking. Yeah. Andre, go for a little bit, yeah. Andre, go for a little bit, yeah.
When my father man do watch, I watch me.
But it's not a Mavaldo. It's not a Mavaldo.
Hold on.
What? That's glittering.
Hold on now. Because I say Rolex. Papi say Rolex. Look at that listen. More everybody listen.
No diamond, no mission.
No diamond. Remember, you know, the boy can't say my mind, man. No time.
Where that I go?
No.
That no pick.
Oh, alright, what is that on my nose?
A nose?
Alright, so that was the video. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, out.